Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. In this video we're going to review some under cabinet lighting from Tasmor. Okay, hi there, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if it's the first time you've seen a video on the channel. As I mentioned, we're going to unbox, review, install, have a look at this. Some under cabinet lighting from the company Tasmor. They reached out asking if we'd look at some of the products, and this is what they sent us. Some under cabinet LED strips. So I've been looking at these anyway, so when they gave us the opportunity to do it, I said, yep, we'll definitely do that. Take a look at them, give an honest review for installation, usage, see how well they work, and just give an honest review. So in this video, we're going to have a look at the actual LED strips, see what the build quality is like. We're going to install them in some cabinets, under a sink in the kitchen and a cupboard we've got in the living area. So we'll get them actually working in this video, see how well they work, and we'll give them a little bit of a rating. Okay, so first up, what we'll do, we'll just flip the camera down and we'll take a look inside the box and see what we get included in this 2-pack. Okay, so this is the box here that we've got. It says 24 LEDs under cupboard light with the branding on there, the Tasmor brand. Got all the usual stuff on the back, including the UKCS symbol there. The brand Tasmor, the model is the SYH069. And the product is a PRI sensor LED cabinet light. So let's get into it, see what we've got in here. Okay, let's get rid of the box. Comes with a user guide. So it's got 2 working modes, PII mode and always on mode. So we've got that, and it's got just some information in there about USB charging, so that's great that the USB chargeable. That's really good in fact. And obviously those different modes that they've got there on there. Okay, it comes with a USB cable. Obviously that is micro USB to charge these lights with. So I'll just take these out of the plastic now, out of the bubble wrap. Okay, so they've got 3M tape on the back, all down across the back. So obviously you can stick these on underneath wherever you're going to put them. I know some, in fact, okay, I'm going to say, yeah, some companies do it differently with magnet, and that's what they've done. So the magnet is a full strip magnet with the 3M tape on the back. And it's actually a full strip. I've seen other lights where they just have got like 3 pads or 2 pads. So this should hold it a lot stronger, to be fair. So you've got that full length magnet on there. Obviously the other one will probably be exactly the same. Yep, exactly the same. Okay, it looks like there's a little bit of plastic cellophane protecting it on there, I think. A little bit of plastic. You've obviously got the PRI sensor bang in the middle there. So I think to look at, obviously that sensor being bang in the middle there and quite bulky, they're not the greatest thing to look at, but if they're hidden under your cabinet, it shouldn't really be a problem. Quite heavy, quite chunky, but not too heavy that I don't think that magnet won't hold them. And then on one end, you've got the USB charging port, and the other end you've got the on-off switch and that button for the 3 modes. Okay, so just reading the instructions, pretty simple operation. Press the power button once. Well, sorry, no, you don't press the power button once. So what you do is switch it on. Let me show you again. So I'm going to switch it on, you'll see it flash green in the middle. You might not see it flash green, but it flash green in the middle. If you then hold down that button there for a couple of seconds, it flashes red in the middle. So that changes between the 2 modes, holding down that button. On the red mode, that's on always on mode. And then if I double press that, it flashes back to green. Hold it for 2 seconds again, flashes back to red. So easy to do, and then it does have the 24 LEDs there, so it should be pretty bright underneath the cabinet. Certainly the ones I'm using to light up that space. Okay, so far so good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go and install these now. I'll do a quick video showing it, installing them. Obviously it's only the tape on the back that needs doing with a magnet strip. Then obviously if you need to charge them, pull the fitting off, go charge it with USB and stick it back on. So we'll go and do that now. Go and stick the tape underneath kitchen cupboard, and then another storage cupboard we've got in the kitchen. But I'll take the camera along and I'll show you that process. Okay, it's going to do under the kitchen cupboard here, but it won't fit underneath. You can't really see from there. But because of where the sink is to the edge of the cupboard, there's no room for the sticky thing. So we're going to find another spot for it. Okay, so we've got one spot here in the living area. I'm going to do it in this cupboard here. So just under there, under that lip, under there. So I'll set the camera up and we'll stick that one in now. Okay, that's in now. It's going to walk over to it, open that cupboard door. There you go. So it lights up that top thing, which is where we keep all those bits and bats in, chargers, wallet, keys, etc. So that'll be useful there just to light up that area. So that's working well. Obviously we could install separate ones on other shelves, but we won't for now because that's that most important shelf at the top. Okay, so the other one is going to go in here in the bedroom. So in our wardrobe over here, let me show you. So we've got this cupboard door here. Woo. And this area here gets really dark. So I'll turn the light off in a minute and show you. It gets really dark though. So we have to have the top light on above, but you don't really need it on. So I'm going to install it up in this cupboard here to shine down in here. Got all like perfumes and glasses and creams, and then drawers down here they've got as deodorants and things. So we're gonna do it there. So I'll get the camera set up, just showing you me installing it, and hopefully that'll look all right. Okay, so that's it installed now. Really simple with that sticky double-sided sticky tape with the magnet on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the light off in that area now, open the cupboard door with the light off, and then I'll show you with the light on just the difference it makes in that wardrobe. And it'll mean we don't have to have that light on as much in there. So I'll show you what I mean though, 1 second. Okay, so this is the mirror door. I've got the light above me turned off. So if I open that cupboard door now, the light's off. Obviously you can't see anything, it's kind of pitch black in there. So let me just turn that light on, and then I'll show you with the motion detection working as well. Okay, so again we're here in front of the door. I've turned the actual light on now. So when I open this door, hopefully the motion sensor will come on and light up the wardrobe for us. So if I do that and put my hand in, there we go. It's kind of lit up that area there. So you can see all the makeup, the perfume, deodorants, creams, etc. in there. It'll still be good like for early mornings, so I don't have to disturb my wife, or my wife don't disturb me if I want to go in the wardrobe. So we could definitely install this in different drawers and different shelves within the wardrobe system. It definitely works. It's quite a nice light too. It's not too harsh, but it does light up the surrounding area pretty well and shows you obviously everything that you need to see in that particular cupboard. Okay, back up in the office now. I quickly just wanted to show you the product on Amazon. The brand on Amazon is the Tasmor brand, as I mentioned. USB rechargeable, so it's 40 centimeters wide as it mentions there. 24 LEDs per light. So I know it says 48 LEDs there, but it is 24 per light. I think it does say that. Yep. And it does mention it is a warm LED. It's not like a cool white, quite harsh. So yeah, as we saw in the wardrobe, it's quite a nice warm light that not too harsh in there. That's like that really white kind of clinical light. It's not that whatsoever. It's quite a nice warm white. But there they are on Amazon. £27 at the moment for the 2-pack. There is a 10% voucher you can apply there. So that'll take what, £2.70 off. So you're looking around £25 for the 2-pack, £12.50 a light, which isn't too bad. Obviously, if you were doing multiple cupboards, it would add up. But I think compared to other systems you can buy, it is quite a competitive price. Obviously, a lot of them you need to have hardwired in as well, so they'll be plugged into the mains. With these, they're not permanent. You can remove them or change them and take them out and recharge them, etc. So you do have a bit more flexibility with these type of lights. Obviously, you don't have that kind of assurance that they're never going to run out, because these are battery powered. So at the end of the day, they could run out of battery at some point. So you do need to kind of keep on top of charging them. Okay, so all done and dusted now. There are 2 lights installed. Really easy, really simple to do, especially with a sticky bat. No screwing required. So I guess if you are a renter, for example, you want that lighting in some cupboards, these are perfect because you can stick them in and then remove them when you need to move out. So no screwing in. So that'd be ideal for people renting properties. I know that some people can't drill and screw holes into walls and cupboards, etc. So this might be kind of ideal for that situation. So yeah, as I mentioned previously, there is a downside, obviously, that they are battery powered. So I guess at any moment they could run out of power, run out of charge if you've not charged them. So it's just something, I guess, to keep an eye and keep on top of. I guess it would be a problem that if you did have quite a lot of them, keeping on top of them. But I'm not sure how long the battery lasts. I haven't seen anywhere where it says how long it will last, to be honest with you. It doesn't say in the instructions. But at the end of the day, the 2 cupboards that we use, we're not in there every minute of every day. They're kind of probably 2, 3, 4, 5 times a day. So hopefully that'll help. If you're in a cupboard that you're constantly in and out of every day, then the battery obviously would run out much quicker. Okay, overall, really impressed with the product. Definitely something I would buy. Obviously, as I mentioned before, Tasmor did send us these to review and have a look at. But it is something I think I'll definitely buy, that I'll put in other parts of the house in different cupboards, in other kitchen cupboards, and I think I probably will put some more in the wardrobe as well, in different areas there, especially where the clothes are hung, just to give some light in there. Again, so you don't have to turn your lights on to kind of disturb your partner if they are sleeping, for example. So yeah, really impressed with them. Would buy them for personal use, definitely. Okay, that's the end of this video now. Hopefully it has been a useful video if you're looking for some under cabinet lights or looking at specifically as the Tasmor ones. As I say, I would recommend them definitely. Decent price, around £12.50 per light. Does add up if you're getting lots of them. But again, as we said before, other systems will cost a lot of money as well for that under cabinet lighting system. So if you found the video useful, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If you haven't for any reason, give it a dislike. If you've got any questions about the product, drop them in the comment section, I'll get back to you. Any other general comments about the video, etc., again, drop them in the comment section. Always looking for feedback on the videos. And if you want to follow along with other Huson DIY videos, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.